This is where Ankit Bhatia Films has traveled to. This is what Radhika Nomllers' travel map looks like. This is Aniruddha Patil's travel map and a few more. And जब इन सब मैप्स को ओवरले करें तो कुछ ऐसा सीन बनता है. कुछ नोटिस किया? 10 states of India not visited by a single travel blogger from amongst us. Actually सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र का मैप भी देखे तो ये पूरा महाराष्ट्र है, इतना बड़ा, एंड सारी ट्रैवल वीडियोस बस इसी इलाके में बनी है. मेरी ट्रैवल वीडियोस, अंकित भाटिया की ट्रैवल वीडियोस, अनिरुद्ध पाटिल की ट्रैवल वीडियोस सब इसी इलाके में. और बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जर्वेशंस और सवाल हम इस वीडियो में करेंगे. सो कीप वॉचिंग टिल द एंड. सबसे पहले रूल्स. ये मेरे इस चैनल डिस्कवर इंडिया फिल्म्स का ट्रैवल मैप है. एवरी डॉट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ फुल लेंथ ट्रैवल वीडियो. यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स एंड ट्यूटोरियल वीडियोस एटसेट्रा आर नॉट काउंटेड इन दिस. ओनली द फुल लेंथ ट्रैवल वीडियोस. एंड मेरे मैप से ये साफ साफ पता चल रहा है कि अभी कितना ट्रैवल करना बाकी है. ये देश बहुत बड़ा है एंड अभी तक हमने बहुत 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 कम एक्सप्लोर किया है. नेक्स्ट आते हैं अनिरुद्धा पाटिल के मैप पे. Although his travels are also located mostly within the western Maharashtra region, he is truly an expert in it. He is one of my favorite travel vloggers as well, and he, Ankit Bhatia, Jeevan Kadam, etc. have all inspired me to explore the Sahyadri mountain ranges of Maharashtra. And now that Aniruddha Patil has surpassed 100k or maybe even 200k subscribers, he is also going to other mountains up north as well. But it is his goal to focus on Maharashtra and show all the gems of Maharashtra first. Next, Ankit Bhatia Films, probably my favorite cinematic travel vlogger from India. Him, Hopping Bug, Traveling Mondays, etc. are an entire generation of travel YouTubers inspired by the likes of Peter McKinnon, Sam Colder, etc. And that's why, although Ankit Bhatia's travel map might look a little less dotted, he has made countless tutorials, camera reviews, and so many other types of awesome helpful videos. And of course, he has done countless international trips as well, जो इस स्केल के मैप पे मार्क करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता. इसलिए no international trips are included in this video. And अंकित भाटिया का मैप देख के ये तो पता चलता है कि उसका बेस कहाँ था. A lot of people start their travel vlogging journey near the place where they live. And अंकित भाटिया के भी आज तक सबसे ज्यादा ट्रैवल वीडियोस पुणे के पास ही है, which is where he has been living. Aniruddha Patil का मैप भी देखे तो he also lives around Thane, I think, which is a part of the Mumbai region. And I too live around that region, as is evident from my map. Next, Hopping Bug पे आते हैं. Another one of my favorite travel YouTubers, and he has surely hopped around really well. He has done so many places in the southern region, so many places in the northeast, and so many places in the Himachal Ladakh region as well. In fact, he has even hopped a little bit around Rajasthan as well. The funny part is that जो region इससे पहले सारे bloggers ने किया था, the Maharashtra region, वो Hopping Bug ने पूरा का पूरा skip ही कर दिया है almost. I hope he comes to Maharashtra someday and we get to collaborate on an epic video. Till then, we move on to Traveling Mondays. I think he's from Rajasthan, probably Jaipur. तो राजस्थान तो अच्छे से explore ही किया है, but he has also explored the north, the northeast, and a couple of southern states as well. Traveling Mondays के बारे में मुझे एक चीज बहुत ही मस्त लगती है, and वो है उसकी vibe. एकदम ही मस्त और chill vibes है उसकी. And a lot of his videos have been really helpful in inspiring me to travel as well, especially his Sikkim travel videos. I think next हम एक female creator पे आते हैं, Radhika Nomllers. काफी epic and awesome travel creator, and I think she has lived in Delhi, in Navi Mumbai, in Australia, maybe in the hills too during COVID. तो राधिका का कोई definite permanent base point तो नहीं set कर सकते, making her a true traveler in every sense. And she has traveled pretty awesomely too. She has been a lot to the 4 hilly states of the north. And एक awesome चीज ये है राधिका के बारे में, that she is the only one in this video who has been to both sets of islands in India, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep as well. And female travel vloggers की बात करें तो we have to come to Tanya Khanijow as well. She is the only one in this video with over 1 million subscribers, and she too has traveled really well all over India. The northeast, the northern hilly states, Rajasthan, Goa, Kerala and even the islands. I think out of all the travel vloggers in this video, मैंने तानिया खानिजाओ पे सबसे कम research की है. But one thing that she definitely has inspired in all of us is that it is possible for us travel YouTubers to get that golden play button. May she keep growing and inspiring more and more. Till then, we check out India in motion. Again, a highly zonal map, but the content that this guy makes is truly out of this world. It is simply some of the best travel related content from India, and I just feel immensely proud of the way he documents and shows the life in the beautiful mountainous regions of India. He is truly an expert on Ladakh and Spiti Valley, which coincidentally also happen to be the two places at the top of my bucket list. अब एक बार सब लोगों के dots on करके देखते हैं. Aniruddha Patil, Hopping Bug, Traveling Mondays, Ankit Bhatia, Radhika Nomllers, Tanya Khanijow and me discover India films. And ये सब ऑन करते ही पता चल रहा है कि काफ़ी ऐसे एरियाज है जहाँ पे वीडियोस बना चुके हैं हम सब, एंड काफ़ी ऐसे एरियाज एंड स्टेट्स है जहाँ कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाई हम में से किसी ने भी. स्टेट्स गिने तो आंध्र प्रदेश 0 वीडियोस, तेलंगाना 0 वीडियोस, नो वीडियोस इन ओडिशा, none in Chhattisgarh, 0 videos in Jharkhand as well, Bihar may be no videos in Punjab, none in Haryana, and Tripura and Mizoram may be 0 videos each. That's 10 states with 0 videos, and that is what I want to do with this new year. I want to take a resolution to try and make at least one YouTube video in each of these 10 states that have not been covered by any of us cinematic travel vloggers yet. And Ankit Bhatia, Hopping Bug, Tanya Khanijow, etc. you guys can help me out too. Let's fill the entire country with dots and let's make epic YouTube videos in all of the lesser visited areas of India as well. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.